say it, and I be the bitch to say it. Sorry to say this, fellas, but in 2026, your worth is not proven by your loyalty. It's not proven by your consistency. It's not proven by your discipline. Not by your masculinity. Definitely not proven by your emotional intelligence. Your protection, no, not proven by that either. Your honesty, no, don't prove enough. How well you lead, and that's not enough. How you treat women, not proven by that either. It's not proven by how solid you are. It's not proven by how hard you work. And it damn so ain't proven by how you keep your word as a man. No, baby. In 2026, your worth as a man is proven by how many bills you can pay, how many women you can save financially, how much money you can spend or send, how many vacations you can fucking take bitches on, how many BBLs you can sponsor, and how many people she can brag to about what you bought. That's it. In 2026, bitches do not want love, baby. They want a lifestyle with a dick and a pulse attached to it. That's it. So regardless of what the fuck you do as a man, it's never going to be enough, because guess what? They're always going to continue to move the goalpost. You're not enough, sir. I'm fucking sorry. It's 2026. You might have been enough in 1992. You might have been enough in 1982. But with these booty ass, retarded ass bitches today, you're not enough. It don't matter. They can give you a whole list of shit that they want, and you can do it, and it still won't be enough. Like a man can be loyal, faithful, emotionally available, family oriented, hardworking, protective, still because constituted as not being enough, right? Let a nigga with a whole bunch of money walk. This nigga husband material, right? Bitch, please, I just don't understand. Bitches talking about I deserve a provider. Based off of what, bitch? Based off what? Because if a man is expected to lead, provide, protect, teach, guide, stay faithful, regulate his emotions, make money, solve problems, stay masculine, and remain mentally strong through all this shit, then what exactly is the bitch bringing besides all these motherfucking requirements? Cause bitch, your presence is not enough. Bitch, she could be present with the Lord without all of these motherfucking stipulations and problems, bitch. See, what you bitches don't realize is being attractive is not the same thing as being valuable, bitch. The more rare you are, the more valuable you are. And if you're out here doing the same shit as these other bitches, requiring the same shit as these other motherfucking bitches, you're not trying to set yourself apart at any fucking point. How are you fucking valuable, bitch? You're not. The value lies in the man you see no value in. But don't shoot the messenger, bitch.
Where you going, where you going, where you going again? Why you leaving my life? Don't run away with my love, yeah. My love, you must be an athlete. This relationship is like a track meet. Tell me what you want, girl, I got you in my arms. Now you're here, then you're gone. Oh, love, love is what we make it. I give you my heart, girl, don't break it. It's like this don't really matter anymore. Every time you walk through the door, you keep running away. My love,
who are you moving? What I do? Love me, you.
just stand by love. I gave you a chance, you gave me your heart, but you took advantage of us. Still me now go cry. No matter where you go, the love will never die. Mama tell me one day, you miss you water till you